Wall Street. Do it right, build wealth, live life, economic empowerment, real tips, insight on the new Black Wall Street. It's on the new Black Wall Street. Here's your host. The new Black.
All right, beautiful people, man. You know what I mean? It must be a super Saturday. So we up here trying to get to the bag. That's just what we do, man. I am here today with the new Black Wall Street with our Money and Power show. I guess Power show number 2 for today. Because the cool thing about crypto, it don't close. We got 3 days, right? Stock market ain't open on Monday, but we still getting to this bag. And I'm starting to see some opportunity in the market. So it's time for me to go looking into things. I got a special show for you here today. Because my cousin came all the way down from out of town. He drove 400 miles just to see me. And he was like, bro, you know what I mean? If you really getting it like that, I just need to sit down with you. He said, I can't do the whole virtual thing. I need to sit down with you and just you walk me through some of this stuff. I said, you my cousin. You know what I'm saying? Blood is thicker than water. Everybody putting console blood is thicker than water. This is Coinbase crypto trader, man. I'm your host, ERGJ, certified global financial educator, CEO of ERGJ Enterprises, The Black Bazaar, international best-selling author of the book, The Black Billionaires Club. And I truly believe, guys, that if you want to be wealthy, you should study wealthy people. All right, guys, you can pick up your copy by simply going to the website, theblackbillionairesclub.com, theblackbillionairesclub.com. You guys know that already. Pick up your copy today. Shop black at the store. Join the club if you decide to do that. Club prices, membership going up to $50 an hour, okay? I mean, $50 a month. I'm sorry, $50 a month for that. But here's the deal, man. Here's the deal. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. So I saw huge opportunity here, and my cousin here. So I said, you know what, cuz, I'm just going to go ahead and let's do it for the people because you might ask some questions. And they want to know them same answers, and I already see some things popping up. So somebody already mentioned GRT, bro, Cuzzo. So we're gonna take a look at GRT. The GRT happens to be my favorite coin to trade. But ain't no water when it comes to blood. Look at that, man. What's going on with you, Nikki? How you doing? Miss Vivian Reed in the house. He got his notes and everything. He ready to rock and roll. Miss Golden, what's going on with you, Queen? How you doing? Who's that over at? I don't see your name, but somebody on that GRT want to put $100 in that. King K, man, y'all. You must got that. You got that YouTube open. Said he got to put the notifications on. He got the notifications on, so you know he's serious about this thing. See if y'all go to Facebook or YouTube, y'all click the notifications. That's how I know you serious. That's how I know you serious about getting this money. What's going on with you, man? How are you, man? Miss Moody is in the house. Miss Mitchell. All right, so fantastic. So here's the deal, right? I'm gonna just take a look at some things. I want to show y'all some stuff real quick. And then we'll get this thing. So I'm gonna pop my little avatar down because y'all don't need to see that. Y'all really need to see the whole screen. I think that'll be good for you. Y'all can hear my voice and all that good stuff. And you know, as I said, first thing I come in and I do, man. I'm gonna start same process. He can't believe that I keep doing the same thing over again, and I'm getting these type of results. That you know, what I'm saying I had $500 growth on Tuesday, another $500 growth on Wednesday, a $700 growth on Thursday. And then we hit $1,100 on Friday. He said he think it's impossible. I said, now listen, here we go. Right? So now listen, you see this? All of this just state growth, right? We just go across this thing, and when you come to this day right here, when that thing hit 12,000, that's when I sold. I took some stuff out of the market. I wasn't gonna be greedy, right? Everybody putting down so pigs get slaughtered. Cause see, I just have this inclination that there's no way this thing gonna just keep going straight up. No, it's gonna come down at some point, gonna give me another entry, another opportunity to enter. And I don't like to go down with the ship. I like to buy the ship when it's about to come back up. So I don't need to go down with it. I mean, why do I need to take a 10% loss or 30% decline on something when I can just come back in when it's 30% down? Because if it's 30% down, I like to say that's 30% off. How many guys like a sell? How many guys go to the market? You got your favorite Louis bag, and you're like, man, I ain't got the money right now. But then you come back a week later, it's 30% off. You're like, oh, I got the money now. I like a sell. I don't know about y'all, but I like to buy low, sell high. Everybody put that console, buy low, sell high. And I'm just simply doing the same thing over and over again, and I'm getting extraordinary results. How many guys want some extraordinary kind of money? You want some uncommon kind of money, right? See, you used to getting the ordinary stuff. That's the paycheck that you get. That's your ordinary money. I'm trying to put some extra on your ordinary. I'm trying to put some put some on your common, right? Some extraordinary kind of money. Where your money is on steroids. Your money is going to the moon. So anyway, so somebody mentioned GRT. I'm going to go find out who that is, because that's somebody over in the BBC. If you are a BBC member, go and put in console hashtag BBC. And I probably don't need to do that on, did I do that right? Yeah, I did do that right. Let me go on over here to BBC, see who that is, a comment, because he already mentioned GRT. So that must be somebody that said, man, I got to get some of that over there with that there. So 1 second, guys. You're going to hear me talking for
going to the moon.
Going to the moon. Crazy. All right, who said that? What's going on with your Keith? Malik, okay, is in the house. That's right, blood. Somebody said, oh, that's Malik. Malik on that GRT. Okay, let's take a look at that thing. He already talking about the GRT. I guess we'll take a look at GRT, huh?
Let's look at GRT.
Let's look at GRT. All right, so anyway, I want to take a look at the market first. We see here that the market is a little bit down. Bitcoin got over up to 48,000, but it's hovering. It's going sideways. That's what it's doing right now. We see what's going on with Ethereum. Litecoin's up. I told y'all this morning, right? Give me the line. Give me the line. See. Let me just show y'all this real quick. Give me the line. See, I want you to get some Bitcoin, but haven't I been saying you want to acquire 3 particular coins? I've been saying you want to get when you can. Which 3 of those, brother?
Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum.
That's right, man. You want to get your Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Those things you want to have for the long haul. Those are things that are going to pay for your children's college degree. You know what I'm saying? Your college expense, if they even have college at that point. Because we might break the college. We might break that whole system down.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It seems like every system is starting to fall. This is called disruption. So when you take a look at Bitcoin, we see Bitcoin over the past week is up 22%. And that's like, you know what I'm saying? That's the standard of the market. Everybody's super excited about that. But I'm like, y'all don't understand that there's other coins that's out there doing that thing. So we take a look here. We're taking this thing called Litecoin, which is the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Everybody putting out go silver and gold. I like that. Silver and gold. We take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin up 37% over the past week. That's a little bit more. That's a little bit better. But that ain't that ain't the only thing, brother. I mean, it's just everything seems to be popping off over here. So we see that see what the market's doing here. We see Litecoin's up 11% in the past 24 hours. We see XLM is up 13% in the past 24 hours. We see Bitcoin Cash up 17% in the past 24 hours. Where else are you seeing this type of movement with your money? I mean, you literally, let's just say, you know, the bank want to give you, or some CD want to give you, or even the regular stock market average rate of returns is 8%.
Right.
And we ain't talking about in a year. We talking about in a day.
Right. You can't do that. It's unheard of.
You know what I say to people? You better let me get my too short voice. You should be getting it while the getting is good. You should be getting it while the getting is good. Everybody put it down, so get it. You should be getting it while the getting is good. Because here's the deal, guys. We don't know how long this is gonna last. Y'all know some people coming in. We know Jay-Z got him some Bitcoin. We know that Elon Musk got him some Bitcoin. And we know that what's his name? The Cash App guy.
Yeah.
Jack Dorsey. We know he got some Bitcoin. What's the question?
When's the best time to buy then?
Well, that's why I'm glad you asked that question. So we got a question, when's the best time to buy? I can't tell you that, because the best time comes down to when you look at the chart. Okay. We don't know until we look at the chart. The chart tell me when to buy.
Okay.
All right. And then somebody said GRT, so I guess we'll take a look at GRT chart. Yes. So anyway, so what we're looking at here, guys, is this investing platform. We already saw earlier, just show y'all real quick. Boom, I'm at, we at 71.19 right now, but I pulled some stuff over. So I already started this, and I said, let me just go live for y'all. Let's just do this. So I got $1,000 over here, 71 over here. That's 8,100 over in this platform after I done got my guap, after I done traded. So now I'm going to actually convert my USDC, and I want to convert it to USD. Okay? Because I want to I want my cash in order to go exchange. Everybody put in console exchange or trade. Okay. Now here's the concept. I want y'all to understand it. Here's the concept, right? I am looking to trade and paper, or or it's not even paper. It's like something that represents paper, because this is not paper. This is like digital, a number that's in a system. We're gonna just call it. This is called a dollar. Okay. And you understand, brother, that we just went and got something to eat. If we try to come get this same meal that we eating on right now, a year from now, will this meal be more expensive or less expensive?
Less expensive.
Okay, it's gonna be less expensive?
Yeah, I would think so.
No, it's gonna be more expensive. The meat gonna cost more. The styrofoam gonna cost more. It's gonna be more expensive, right? Prices don't go up, they don't go down. Right. So they're gonna take it up 50 cents or take it up $1 to offset their costs. That's what you're doing business, right?
Right.
So it's gonna be more expensive. So if it's going to be more expensive, but I got the same dollar, that means I probably get less food or I get less buying power. Right. So I'm looking to trade something that's going to decline in value, the dollar, for something that has the potential to increase in value.
Oh, okay.
And that's what we're looking at with these coins. We just saw some of these coins that increased 23% in the past week, 37% in the past week. What if your dollar that you had in your wallet, what if it kept increasing in value every day?
Man, we'll be everybody.
Everybody be good, right? But see, everybody don't know this. Are you going to buy and hold or buy and trade? The first question I ask people. That's a great question too, Trey. All right. So now we're talking about trades. This is my brother from another mother over here. He's saying, hey, first we want to decide how you want to approach the market. So those that's in the BBC, we did a presentation last week or Thursday for our seniors. We did a crypto senior presentation, because I don't want my seniors over here trying to trade all the time. They ain't got the time. They got the grandkids. They have established themselves, all that good stuff, right? So we did a presentation for the seniors, Trey, where I gave the seniors a strategy on how they can buy and hold and still be passively aggressive in this market. Well, I'm telling you, we've been doing some things over the BBC. All right. So that's a great question, though. Are you looking to buy and hold, or looking to buy and trade? Right? If you're looking to buy and hold, you're looking for some hold coins. Obviously, we just mentioned 3 of them, right? 3 things you need to get, no matter what type of trade you're doing. You need to get those. You need to get those 3 as much as you can, as much as you can, as often as you can. But there's some other coins that have some what we call like intrinsic value that are bringing things to the marketplace that may be great to hold versus trade. So that's a great question that you want to ask yourself. Am I looking to buy and hold or buy and trade? Now, here's the thing, Trey. I was talking about, so brother, I was sharing with you, you came over, I shared with you some of the stuff that I do that I'm about to do right here. Mm-hmm. And you said that I've developed a system.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, talk to me about this system, what you understand about the system that you said I developed. I ain't really look at it as a system. Everybody put on system.
Well, think about what a system does. You put something in it and it produces something. It gives you something out on the end. So sitting up here watching you have your system. You go to this screen, you check this screen, you get your data from here, you get your information from here, you get your charts over here, you go over to this other screen. Yeah, so it's something that you put in place to help you do exactly what you came trying to do, and that's make money. That's your system.
So I got a system, man. I got a money-making system that I'm literally teaching people for free. Ain't that crazy?
They do this on YouTube. You know, on YouTube when they had a little thing come across $24.99 and $9.99, you giving away for free?
Free 99.
Free 99.
Right, free 99. I must be crazy, you know what I'm saying? But I don't need your money. I don't need your money. So here's the deal. So Malik, I believe that's Malik came up here and said, Malik is up here. He said graph, right? Graph. So let's take a look at graph. So we're gonna take a look at that's my favorite one to trade. That's my favorite one to trade. But I actually do both. I trade it and I actually own it. Okay. Right. So over here, I normally have it backward. Over here, I got some graph that I'm holding, right? Okay. I just, I think I did 2 trades. I did a $100 transaction. I did a $200 transaction. I said, man, because I started seeing, I want to hold some graph, but I'm also trading graph. Okay. I'm gonna trade it over here. Okay. Now, so now let's take a look at the market, right? So let's say this is the trading platform. This is where I'm gonna do some trading. So I already brought my money over, right? I got about 921 left that I could do something with, try to find some opportunity up in here. And we're gonna take a look at the graph coin first. But first, we're gonna take a look at all the coin, all the pairs. Okay. These pairs represent your dollar paired with said coin, which means that I can exchange between the two, back and forth if I wanted to. So I had the pair between the dollar and the Bitcoin. I can go from dollar to Bitcoin to dollar, right? If I had a dollar in Ethereum, I go from dollar to Ethereum to $1. So it's just letting you know there's a relationship between the two that you can exchange, that you can trade between.
Okay.
Okay. So, but what's important to me now is I want to start taking a look. Look at this. This is crazy. Dash is up 63%. Anyway, I'm starting to look at some stuff that's actually, if I'm buying and I'm trying to buy low, I want to look at some stuff that's down.
On sale.
That's on, well, it could be on sale, but I want to look at stuff that's down in the market. I don't know if it's on sale yet because I haven't looked at it.
Okay.
To look at it, say 13% does not necessarily mean it's on sale. It could be diving. It could be going down to 20%. It could be going down to less than 25% down.
Okay.
But it's giving me a starting point to say, okay, let's take a look at OXT, right? 13% down, probably something I want to look at if I'm trying to buy.
Right.
What if I was trying to sell? If I was trying to sell, do I need to be looking at something that's is the 13% down?
No, you need to look at
I'll be trying to look at something that's
green.
plus. I need to be looking at the green. I'll be looking at something high, right? So 30% down, right? And then we have Atom 4%. We're probably not gonna mess with that. It's only 4%. Algo. Woo, Lord. Oh Lord. Yeah. That's another one of my favorites. Oh Lord. Oh boy. Whew. Oh Lord. My goodness. All right, so graph right now, guys. I'm not going to look at graph right now. I mean, I will for you just because you brought it up. But here's the deal. Like graph's down 2%, right? Let me just do this for you. Let's do this. Let's just use graph as an example, but we're going to look at OXT, we're going to look at algo. Two different things. One we're going to trade, one we're going to buy. All right. Now, what I did with graph is I already made a mistake with graph, and I talked to you about this morning. But here's what's important to kind of look at. With graph, be careful here. Because if you look at this 15-minute, these are 15-minute intervals. All these bars are 15-minute intervals. If you look here, tell me what you see with this chart. Is it going up or is it going down? Do you think it's going sideways and it goes up or going down?
I think it's going sideways.
You think it's going sideways?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, do you think that it has more going sideways? Normally, when something goes sideways, it's going to break. It's going to break. It's going to either break up or break down.
Right.
Based upon what you see, just on the 15-minute chart, you think it's going to break up or break down?
I think it's going on the downward movement, sir.
Why do you think that?
Only because it looks like the graph is going up, down, and every time it goes back up, it comes down a little more.
Right. So there'll be lower highs, right? So based upon this 15-minute chart, it's look like it's breaking down.
Right.
Although it's going sideways.
Right.
And if you feel like it's breaking down, that means it has more downward pressure than upward pressure. So we're not looking to buy something at 2% down when we think it might still go down further.
Right.
So then that means we be patient.
Be patient.
Everybody put console, be patient. Now, but that's only looking at the 15-minute count, right? When I go to an hour, now we're on the longer term. So if I was trading short trading or day trading, or I'm trading half days, I'm looking at the 15-minute count.
Okay.
But now I'm going a little bit longer. I'm saying, okay, well, what do I think from a longer term?
Still sideways, but it's not trending down as much as I thought it was. It looked like it might just be going sideways. So I would definitely need to see another time frame just to see what it is doing. Right.
So here you're saying, man, that thing shot up. You know what I'm saying? Gave me a new high. It's trading sideways, but it's still longer term is actually going up.
Right.
So shorter term is going down. It may be breaking down. Longer term is actually going up.
Right.
That's the difference, right? It depends on where I am as a trader. Am I trading short term or am I trading longer term? You have to decide. You know you know what I'm saying? How you gonna do? I trade 1 hour a day. I'm not trading all day. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I'm trading 1 hour a day, or I'm trading by the day, or I'm trading by the week. That determines kind of what candle you're gonna be, what time frame you're looking at buying. Because if I say that, then I can say, well, hey, even though it might be breaking down, I believe longer term is going up. I can still get it right now because longer term, when I come back to it in the week, it's probably gonna be up.
Right.
So it depends on your time frame. Depends on your time frame. Okay. Oh, y'all got some stuff. Y'all typing stuff up in here. Okay, let me catch up on here, man. You got a sister. What's going on with your chief? What's going on? Now, this type of thing that I'm doing here, y'all talking about y'all want some one-on-one session at $150 an hour. Okay, just put it out there for y'all so y'all know. So if y'all come in my inbox, that means that y'all ready to pay. That's how I look at it. Like y'all came in my inbox, I told y'all what the price is. That means y'all ready to pay. Right? I'm doing this for free, but you say, hey, I need some one-on-one attention, $150 an hour. Okay, that ain't free $99 because that ain't gonna take me away from trading to help you, and I don't mind helping you, but hey, this is what it is. Now, all right, so let's go a little bit further out, right? Let's go a little bit further out. So let's go to the 6-hour candle, right? We're just reading it. This is something I can teach 5-year-olds this because they can say, oh, this is going up, it's going down. Now we are longer. Now this is a 6-hour candle. This goes over a whole month. So what if I was month trading?
Oh, then you would probably be mad right now.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If I was month trading or whatever.
Oh, it went up at the end of the month.
Yeah, but I got in a month ago. If I got in January 13th or whatever, I bought it about January. I'm going to put it there, hold it, let it sit there for a minute, come back to it in a month. That could be a month trade.
That could be a nice month trade too.
Nice month trade, huh?
Yeah. Right for that month ended, it looked like it went all the way up to the top.
Right. And then now we start talking about longer term. Now you're talking about buying and holding. Hey, I'm just going to hold this thing. It probably just keep moving up, right? So obviously, I'm probably not going to be using the day chart. I'm not going to be using the 6-hour candle. I'll use the 1 hour and a 15-minute, right, to give me a gauge. All right. Now, from 15-minute candle, we're saying, man, this probably thing looks breaking down. It hit an all-time high, came down, right? This roller coaster hit a lower high, lower low, lower high, but then now it started to shift. It didn't hit another low high, so we need to watch it a little bit longer.
Right, watch it.
Right, be patient. So I'm not trading this right now because I'm here right now. I'm trying to find some. I'm trying to find some action.
Right.
You know what I mean, I need me a sister that's ready to go.
Right.
Okay. Woo, Lord. Somebody asked how long. Sorry, I'm late. What is this platform? It's Coinbase Pro. The senior trade was fire. All right, so right, I'm not going to be trading GRT right now, guys, because I don't see the opportunity right now. It could be later. But, for the purpose of what we're doing, is this what is called trending upwards? Yeah, you can call it trending upwards. How long do I usually hold my trades? The chart tells me when to buy. The chart tells me when to sell. That's the answer to that question. There's no time frame for me. I let the chart tell me. Now, what I do is I put orders out in advance so that if I'm not watching this thing, they execute by themselves. That stuff you learn when you join the BBC. That stuff you learn. That stuff you'll learn when you decide to invest. You know what I'm saying? So that you can have additional training. There's a lot of questions you guys are going to ask. I just simply don't have the time to go through for the free 99. I don't mind answering as much as I can, but I got money to make right now. I'm wasting time talking to y'all. Let me go. All right, let's keep going. Pending orders. Yes, ma'am. You're right. Pending orders. All right. So we identify ox, right? Let's go to ox real quick. Now look at this. Thing's changing so fast. You see how fast it moved? Oh Lord! So look at this. All this stuff didn't change right there. Boom! All this stuff. We were just looking at this, and all this stuff was green. Now it's all red. You see that? You see how fast this stuff moved? Remember, let's go to ox. Let's go to OXT. Now. First, I want to see my order. I think I got that ZEC, LRC. Let me go back to LRC. I want to see if. Okay, here we go. LRC is actually breaking down, and I picked that up. See, remember I put that order in?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll come back to that. Let's go to OX. Help the people out. Down 13%, down 62%. We see here we have some sideways consolidation. Came down, hit a new hit a low, came back up. We're starting to see this thing trend downward just a little bit, go out a little bit further. We start to see here. We see the upward move, and now we're looking. Now all of this stuff right here, brother. Mm-hmm. From the 212 before, it doesn't even matter. The only thing that matters now is this whole window that is, let me see. Huh?
Oh, right in there.
Yeah, this all that matters at this point.
Okay.
It's all that matters right here. So if I take and I look here and I say, okay, well, boom, you came up, you hit the new high, you came down. Now we start to see some sideways consolidation, but we do see right here, look at this. This came up right here to give it a place we call resistance. This came down and hit that resistance. So now we have established possibly a new support. What support mean? It's probably going to be, it's like a bungee, a trampoline. It's going to start bouncing off this thing. Bam. I don't know how many times, but it's probably going to start bouncing. So this is where I'm going to set my order at. I want to set my order at support, right? My pending order to actually buy is going to be about 60 cents. I already see that, right? So so now I go over here. I'm going to try to see where the big orders at that's going to actually fulfill around the 60-cent range, because that's my target. I'm setting a target of where I want to pick this thing up if I do. And look at this. Lo and behold, right at the 60-cent range where everybody else is saying the same thing.
Yeah.
This is what makes it easy. This is the part that makes it easy. I can see what everybody else is thinking as well. So right here, I'm like, okay, I'll go a little bit further out. Look at this, right? You see all these orders? Boom, 15, 28, 25, 02, whatever. But look at this, 100, 177. This is the sweet spot.
Yeah.
Bam. So I'm gonna put my limit. Boom, I'm gonna go right here. That's where everybody trying to hit that thing, and I'm gonna hit it right with them. You know what I'm saying? We you know, what that thing? Then we having a multi-session over there. It ain't no fun if my homies can't have none. I got some other homies right here at 60 cents.
That's right.
So now I got to decide, okay, how much you want to get in this OXT? It's only 60 cents. You get 100, that's $60. You get 200, that's $120. I got $921 to play with. Let me go over for a 500 pack.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Boom. I put that order in. Boom. Now I set it and I forget it. Everybody put it also set it and forget it.
It's set right there.
It's set at 60 cents. So if this thing hits 60 cents and I'm in the back of the line or whatever the case may be, it executes. And if I come back and look at it, I got it at 60 cents. If it doesn't get to 60 cents,
your money's still there.
my money's still there.
Gotcha.
You feel me?
Gotcha.
All right. Let's still check these comments because I know they over there asking questions over here. Okay, let's see here. I signed up for your course. So I'll see you there, LOI Trade Forex too. So I'm not really, no, you know, oh, you good. If you trade, hey, listen, Dula, you trade Forex, you're going to be a pro at this. You're going to be a pro at this, honey. I'm telling you, Forex people, it's going to be easy. Oh, Lord, you're going to be like, shit, damn that Forex. I mean, you're going to keep trading Forex, but I'm telling you, this is dumbed down Forex. Forex, y'all do too much. Y'all do too much. It don't take all that. I'm trying to tell you, if you're doing Forex, you're going to be a beast. You're going to be a beast on this. So this is crypto. Arlesia Andrews, this is cryptocurrency. All right. You're going to be a beast, Dula. If you, like, I can't wait till you join the BBC. Oh, Lord. Dula, when you ready, I can't wait till you join the BBC. You might well go ahead and put in your little, you know, you might well go ahead and go to the website right now, girl. Cause I'm going to tell you, woo, Lord, we're going to make some money together. Oh, shit. All right. So I put that order in. Now I'm gonna go back to Zec real quick because I did something over there earlier, and I was just trying to acquire it because it kept moving up. But it wasn't Zec, it was ZRX, I believe. No, it was Zec. I guess it was Zec. No, it wasn't Zec. What I got my thing in? What I got? LRC, Lupin. Okay, Lupin. There it is. So I bought this thing at a little bit high. I just wanted to get in. I wanted to establish a position. I got it at 80 cents. I set my sell order at 90 cents. And the reason why I did that, guys, because when I looked here, I said, man, let me just establish a position. But on the 15-minute chart, we're seeing the decline, right? If we go to 15-minute countable, we go to an hour, we see that this thing is actually, it was running up and it still hasn't really established a support. It did establish support down here at 77 cents or 70 something cents or so. I was being a little impatient. But what I can do is I can fix the error of my ways by actually putting in another order to try to get this thing where I should have got it in the first place to act so I can average down. So I'm gonna do that right now. But then when I went out a little bit further, I saw this.
Okay.
I said, whoa, wait a second. I said, well, yeah, now that I'm out a little bit further. Remember, we looked at this earlier.
Right.
I saw this. Now, what does this tell me? See, when you start looking at you start going further out, now it's a whole different ball game. When I saw this, I said, well, wait a second. Now, who is this? Who is this? Trey, right? Look at this. What's very interesting about this? This is not just a run up. What's interesting about this is that it's a gradual movement to the moon, right? It's a gradual movement. It's not just like a shoot up, you know what I'm saying, come back down like we've seen. You see how gradually it's a natural hill. Am I right, Trey? It's a natural progression. It's not, manipulated. It's not, everybody rushed in at the same time. We do see that just for a little bit here, but it got right back on curve. You see that? So right here was a run up. Right here was a run up. But then it came back down, got back on curve. So this is a natural progression to the upper room.
Mr. LRC.
This LRC. So when I saw this, I said, well, I want to hold some of this LRC.
Right.
So then I said, okay, let me put in let me put an order to sell some of it and keep some of it. But I'm gonna go back to my 15 or my 20 minute, my 1 hour candle, and I'm gonna try to put in another order so I can average down on this thing and try to get it. I can go down a little bit further, about 77 cents or so. So let's see what's going on over here. Whoo, okay. So let's see if I can find a place in that 77, 76, 77 range that makes sense. So we got 38, 890, a whole bunch of 78.1. I want to wait though. I'm already in. I got to take it down some.
Wow.
Because the further I can take it down, if it strikes, then that'll be the lower my cost basis is.
So I got a question.
Okay.
So you came in here earlier and you bought some. And it has not yet reached the parameters that you put on it at 0.88.
Right.
89. I think that's what that is.
Right.
So if you wanted to go up, let's say, no, let me go up to 92. Or you wanted to go down to 87.
I can cancel this order.
Okay, and just make another order.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I can cancel and make another order. So I'm gonna come down to 76 or 70, 76 or 75. Oh, look at that. 76 is the play. All right, so I'm gonna go to 76. Yeah, 64,000 at 76. I'm gonna go to 76. And I did 200 earlier. I'll do another 200. I got 200 right now. I'll do another 200 on that. No, I did 300 earlier. I'll do another 300. Right? Oh, I don't know what that was. I'll do another 300. All right, cool. So I'm trying to average down. So if it does break down, I can pick that up. We do have a lot of volume. We got, 0.11 spread or whatever the case may be. If it breaks down, I can pick some more up, average down. Still looking to sell it at about 89 or 90 cents. Again, longer term, I can hold this thing out and have the basic. The chart is telling me it's going to pick up. It's going to pick back up. I don't have anything telling me it's going to collapse at this point. Still have 332 million trades that's going on over here. A lot of volume, a lot of interest in this particular coin, a lot of liquidity, right? So there's popping. Now, here's the reason why it's popping as well. The reason why it's popping, guess what? Stock market's closed. Stock market's closed. So what is money goes where it can grow? Everybody put that in comment. So money goes where it can grow. So the stock market is closed, so the money can't grow in the stock market right now. So all the other people that's playing this money video game with me, we over here playing Mario. All right, we over here trying to make our money grow. While while other people barbecuing or whatever they doing. We over here trying to get that barbecue chicken.
That's right.
You know what I mean? So I'm letting it come to me, right? You said Coinbase doesn't have any customer service. Hey, I mean, shit, a lot of places don't have customer service. Yeah, Jimmy Crack Calm. Jimmy Crack Calm. What's up? All right. So now we saw another opportunity, right? Quite possibly. Algo. Let's go take a look at Algo. Now, Algo is a different animal. Oh, Lord. Ooh, Lord. Let me see. So that puts me, I don't know what I got left, but that don't matter because I'm going to hit Algo right now. I'm going to do something different. It's down 11%. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, look at this. So Algo just, boom, beat that down to 135. Some people were watching. I wasn't watching at this time. That was about 6 o'clock. I guess 6 o'clock this morning. It was down to 135. Now it's at 157. That thing down 11% from a 180 time frame. Oh, I wish I could have got that. But that was an outlier. There's nothing about Algo said it should have been traded at $1.40. So I don't know why I jumped down there. That's very odd and out of place. But that doesn't matter. In this case, I'm going to do something I don't normally do. I'm just going to go buy some, and I'll tell you why in just a second. So I'm going to actually do a market order because I don't really care. I'm not trying to chase nothing right here. I'm not chasing it up or down. It's probably moving sideways to this particular point. If I go in a little bit further, it hasn't established anything. I'm not buying it at high. I'm trying to buy right mid size. But Algo is such a special coin.
Yes, it is.
Oh my goodness, it's such a special coin. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a market order over here for this thing, and let me go ahead and get 250 piece of the Algo, right? Let me go ahead and get 250 piece. No. 291. Let me go ahead and do that. Boom. And I'm going to do a market order. Boom. I'm going to buy that up. It's already filled. Pay my little fee. I pay a little bit more because I did that. Now, all right. Now I am going to come over here. I just got my algo. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm gonna withdraw my algo.
It's your wallet. Right?
Them my wallet. So let me go here to my algo. Find my algo that I just got.
It's up top.
It's up top. There we go. And let me go ahead and withdraw this back over to my holding account.
Okay.
Boom. No fee to do that. It's like insufficient fund. Oh, because it's moving. It's always moving.
Oh, okay.
Let's see if this thing execute. Oh Lord, they driving Coinbase crazy. Yeah. All right, boom. I just moved it over. All right, now I come over here to my other account, my holding account, because I'm holding algo. Now you probably wonder, well, why did I buy algo over there versus over here? So let's just say, what did we do? We did $291.
$291.
All right, so let me actually try to buy. How much I pay? $1, right? $1. Let's see if it's the same. I haven't checked that yet. Let's see if it's the same. If I buy it over here, and I wanted to buy it, I want about $291. Let's preview the buy. It would have been $4.27 over here.
Oh,
you see?
Difference.
That's a difference. I paid $1 over there, and I would pay $4.27 if I was over here.
Oh,
right. So I acquired it over there cheaper, and I could bring it over here for free. So I just saved me some money.
So you just went to Buckhead and got it for cheaper, but they had a sale and brought it back to the hood.
Yeah, I just brought it back to the hood.
All right, man.
I brought it back to the hood.
All right.
But now here's a special thing about algo, man.
Uh-huh.
Let me go back. Not only are they, look at this, trading activity, 68% by everybody on this coin, buying it, pushing it up.
Right.
You see this right here, this telling you, man, based upon the last time at 11:59 or 12 o'clock, everybody pushing this thing, everybody trying to get this thing, because we've been talking about it, by the way. And everybody watching these videos, they're like, oh shit, let me go get some of that. But it's also giving me a 6%. 6% for me to hold.
Right.
Not only is it giving me 6% to hold, but shit, if I look at the last week of algo, I'm up 100%.
Woo, 100%.
100%.
How do you go up 100%
in 1 week, right?
Get the heck out.
But if I held it over the past month, if I was over here holding this algo over the past month, I'm up 350%.
Oh, in 1 month? What do you know that goes up 300% that you can make 300% on?
Great question. How many guys know something that you tell me in the comments below, something that you have acquired that has grown through 258% in 1 month, plus it gives you 6% for you to hold it? I'll wait, because it might take y'all a while to type that. You know what I mean? So I'm back over here with the I'm back over here holding my algo that I just picked up. Go ahead. I just went ahead and popped that thing off and holding that thing for a little bit. And now I'm just look at this. I'm just my savings account is on steroids over here, bro. I don't know what it want to do. Just keep going up. Right?
Right.
And my algo is powering that thing while it also could be increasing in value. So now I got to do something else. I got a little bit of money over here that I need to do something with. That's that $100, I think, that I had left. I'm going to go ahead and convert that to USDC. Same thing I did, $100, and I ain't gonna do no. I'm just gonna let it sit, and then I'm going to now withdraw that $100 of the USDC and bring it back over to my Coinbase. Now, why am I doing this? All right, I'm just gonna do that. Now I'm gonna refresh this. So I got pending orders out. See if they happen. I just acquired some more algo that could grow in value and also pay me 6% while I wait. And now I have this little $100 I have left that I didn't do anything with, that I could do something with, but I'm just not. That's also giving me some type of reward, which would be this 0.15%. So I'm still getting something. My money's still working for me.
Right.
Even when I step away and I wait on the other orders quite possibly to fulfill. If not, that's right. Algo's working for me. Give me 6%. This one's working for me. Give me 0.15%, and we keep it moving.
Right.
So Trey, as you see, what I'm doing is I'm doing combo. I'm going combo trade. I'm not only am I going long term, but at the same time I'm going short term. Now you mentioned something, brother. You said wait a second. You tell me what you, because you was like, oh, so you're going over there to grow the money, and tell me your understanding of what you what you grasp from my little mini system that's been getting me over $500 a day, $700 a day, $1,100 a day.
Well, first of all, you're creating bags. We all want to get a bag.
Uh-huh.
So you got two bags up on the screen right now. You got your bag where you got your big money, which is your safe, and then you got your other bag that you just play with money all day. Hey, I go spend this, go to Walmart, go here. This is my play with money. So what I seen is you take your play with money once it gets high enough and convert that and put it in your other bag, which is gonna make you money over time.
Yeah.
You know, that's what I seen. But I got a question though.
Yeah.
So if you was to give somebody, you can't. So the market tells me what to do. In other words, so I got to play by the rules of the market. So if I was to say, cuz I got $150 that I want to spend every day, and one thing that I'm seeing you do is you take that 150 budget and you spend it all, whether it's sending some money over here, whether it's buying and holding, whether it's doing this and whether it's doing that. So your money is always making moves and it's all ready to be moved. Your money don't have to get ready. It's already ready because it's in the system.
Yeah.
So as long as it's in the system, I can do what I need to do with it. It's like having a bank account, a checking account, and an IRA. You can't move money between the checking account and the IRA, but when you come to something like this, you can move the money wherever you want. So that means you have all control to do what you need to do to make money.
But and you said something. You said I'm bypassing something.
Yeah, you definitely bypassing. You become the creator. You created your own system using other people's system. You just work it the way that you want to work. That works best for you. So you're not cutting out nobody but nobody. There's nobody there to cut out because you created it.
Yeah.
When you own something, you determine what it does, whether it's using other people's stuff or not. Hey, I go to Walmart and get my ice cream. I go to Kroger and get my Kool-Aid. I go to here. I'm using my system. I'm going to go to each place, get what I need, and bring it back to the house. That's all I'm concerned with. I ain't worried about the cakes and the pastries and all that. I got my system. And once you set a system together and you work your system, that's how you start to unlock things in your life.
Ooh, y'all heard that? Yeah, man. All right, so we got so this is Coinbase platform, guys. The link, if you don't have a Coinbase platform, you can find that in the description. You can get Coinbase link. You want to do that, some of y'all just go do your own thing that y'all don't want to do that. Why you want to do that when you can actually use the platform, use the link to get you some free crypto and get you some free stuff. Don't be silly. You gonna cost me money, it's gonna cost you money. That ain't good. But then when you have the Coinbase platform, what you're looking at now, then you can also get the trading platform with the same login by just looking it up. So that's the thing, right? So I got the trading platform over here, Coinbase Pro, used to be GDAX, and I got my holding platform, Coinbase here. And I'll tell you a few things. Listen, Coinbase don't have all the coins, but that's okay with me. Because if I'm clearing $500, $700, $1,100 a day, why am I chasing something else? I don't need to be chasing anything until this stop working. I'm gonna work this thing. I'm gonna squeeze every little bit of juice I can out of this orange.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Every little bit.
Every little bit. You see what I'm saying? All right. So that's let me see what my main man Trey boy, he be doing. I think y'all think I do something. This man here, shoot. I'm glad I got me some money. I got me some money homies in my crew. You got Dot, WAV, man. Trey, you gonna have to turn me on to some stuff, man. I know some other stuff out there, but I try to teach on the easy platform. I know you probably say this is easy. This is the easy platform. If y'all can't, and here's the thing: if you can't master Coinbase, I'm telling you, I don't believe you're ready for any of these other platforms. This is the easiest platform. It's a great starter platform, and I'm using the starter platform to make $500, $700, $1,100 a day.
A day.
Okay.
Woo.
That's right. All right. So cool. Y'all got any questions? You got anything else, bro? You ain't see anything else?
No,
that's all I got. I mean, my money's all. I put my money out, made two things going on, and yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's all I got right now, brother.
Okay. Well, hey guys, you know what I'm saying? 6 o'clock in the morning, right? That's gonna be tomorrow and 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, tomorrow and Monday. On Tuesday, when everybody go back to work, I'm putting the pressure on. We're going to 5 a.m. Yeah, I'm trying to see who really serious about this thing, because I got to still weed out some of the sleepers, some of the turn me over, some of the snooze button hitters. I got to weed them out. Okay? In the comments, I would love for you to share what you learned today, something you took away from this session that we had here, Coinbase, Coinbase trading. I don't do this just to do this. I do this to make a difference, and hopefully we made a difference for you here today. Hit the like button, the share button, hit the subscribe button, hit the follow button, all that good stuff. And I want you to understand this principle as well. It's a simple principle that said that when you begin to understand money, which I've been studying for over 10 years, over a decade, it's a simple principle that says money is nothing more than the exchange of value for value. Like you saw me exchange $1 for a algo. You saw me exchange $1 for a graph. You saw me exchanging some dollars. Well, here's the problem that I found with many of us. We haven't grasped this concept yet. We'll come here, and although I'm doing it for free, you got to ask yourself, well, how much value did I get? In the comments below, I'd love for you to share how much was this worth? And give me a number. Don't give me priceless. Give me a number. You got it for free, but really, how much was it worth? Because I know what I should be. I know what I should be charging. I know what other people are probably charging, if they can even do it at all, because most people can't. But how much was it worth? Give me a number in the comments below. Now, here's also a thing that I can do. Ever just how often should we be taking profits versus holding to see what a coin does? Listen, man, secure the bag. It's not an often thing. So let me try to answer that question for you, brother. It's not an often thing. It's a secure the bag thing. So I think I said this. So right here, you see where I was up to 12 grand and I sold on Friday morning, yesterday morning, right? I secured the bag. I've already captured much profit. Don't be greedy. It don't mean nothing until I sell. So I had to pull $4,000 out, which is, you see this large drop, and now I'm back in motion. I'm still in the game. I just got some money in my wallet. So it's not a how long thing. Here's the best way to answer this for you. You sell when you start getting scared. You're gonna start to feel this little thing in your stomach. It's like, oh, yeah, you're gonna start questioning. It might keep going up, but yeah, I mean, so that's what you're gonna have, this little thing going on at the side of your stomach. And one side you're gonna be like, go ahead and get you some profit. The other side gonna be like, nah, I'll let it ride. So for you, Zach, I know for a fact you're probably up big in XLM. You're probably up big in XLM. My advice to you, brother, secure the bag. That don't mean you got to sell it all, right? Let's take a look at XLM, because I know you're big. I know you've been waiting on it. You be like, finally, this thing is finally doing what it's supposed to do, which is stellar lumens. We all been waiting on it. So over the past 24 hours, up 13%. Over the past week, it's up 56%. Over the past month, well, I know you've been holding at least a month, it's up 100%. So secure the bag. If it's up 100%, that means that you can pull out your capital and let your profits ride. That's the secure the bag philosophy. Asset, cash, asset. Now you have, just let's say you put $100 in the beginning. Now a month later, it's now $200. You pull your $100 out. Now you riding with house money. Everybody putting accounts on house money. And you got your $100 left to go and sow a seed somewhere else. And then you can begin to expand your portfolio. You can begin to diversify. You can begin to find other opportunities to continue to make your money work for you. And all the while, you did not have to invest any new money into the market. You don't want to sell Litecoin. You don't want to sell Litecoin. Keep Litecoin. You're not selling Litecoin. So don't even think about that. I mean, if you need it, go ahead and sell it. Go ahead and sell a little bit. You don't want, you know what I'm saying? But if you do sell it, ask yourself what you're going to do with it, because that's not something you want to capture the bag on. I mean, if you're going to sell it as a Litecoin or some of it, you're going to exchange it for something else. What you going to exchange it for? With XLM, not so much. XLM, you're gonna sell some of it, and now you got that profit to put into your bank account to go find another opportunity. You want to hold as much Litecoin, as much Ethereum, and as much Bitcoin as possible. Not for now, for 10 years from now. You want to hold it for when your kids coming up. That's the potential of this stuff. Well, Bitcoin's going to be running out of speed. It's going to be running out of time. It's going to be time for some new stuff. Litecoin can take over. And then it's going to probably be something else. But, I get it. We traders, we want to get that money. You might be trading Litecoin. I wouldn't advise it, but hey, it's your thing. Okay? It's your thing. All right, let's see here. Take your profits more than $150 out. Yeah, I appreciate it. You're lowballing. I can tell how much I pay monthly is 4 times more than that. I know that. Hey, I'm just trying to say, I don't need your money. See, it's not that I'm lowballing, dude. I just don't need. I know I'm over here making money. You know what I'm saying? I'm over here got my own ATM. So why do I need to? You know, I want you to have money to go invest and you get rich. That's how I look at it. It ain't no fun and my homies can't have none. My time is valuable. I do got stuff to do with my time. But, you know, if people really making money, I don't think they should be charging you super much. You know, if they really making money, they got no use for it. Now it's just doing it for the community. I know guys will pay $5,000 plus for sound advice. These aren't everyday wives that are doing this. They aren't playing with everyday money. I know that's right. All right. House money. Okay, I'm still talking. Okay, I'm only lowballing for this group. I know newbies who pay $250 just to get in Forex training. I know he could be charging. Trust me. He said he did say for this particular moment. Yeah, absolutely. So here's the deal, guys. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. I'm coming on every day at 6 o'clock and then 5 o'clock on Tuesday so y'all can get this work. I don't know what I'm gonna do at the end of the month. I said I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna go back to my private group doing what we do. I don't know. Because I believe you should invest in yourself. Because I believe you start investing in yourself, you're gonna really start putting in the work. You ain't just gonna come here and watch and have a good time and smile and kumbaya and laugh at me and all that stuff. I don't know though. I don't know what you're gonna do. What we gonna do over here, we gonna get to the money. What we gonna do over here, we're gonna build the grocery store. What we gonna do over here, we're gonna build the school. What we gonna do over here, that's what we doing over here. We're gonna have Jefferson Estates. All right? Guys charge crazy sums that are charging that because they're missing an opportunity to make money. You can charge a lot more. You're incredibly consistent. I appreciate you, brother. Man, this is for the people, man. This is the people's time, right? This is a phenomenon. This is a global movement. It's the financial revolution. It's here, people. I want all aboard. That's all I can say. Everybody put that console all aboard the crypto train. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, here we go. Oh, y'all didn't think I had it. Y'all forgot. Yeah, see, I was the same train a couple years ago. Now I'm the crypto train. All aboard. I want you guys to remember this. It takes a village. It starts with us. Let's build as we climb together. Together. We all we got, beautiful people. Matter of fact, we all we need. Thank God, that's more than enough. Until next episode, you know what time it is. Mr. DJ, hit the music.
The new Black Wall Street. Thanks you for joining the show. We gave a lot of great tips, but it's time to go. Take the knowledge we shared, hope you use it and grow. We will see you all there at the next episode of The New Black Wall Street. The New Black Wall Street.